Enjoy the view of this 2020 Toyota 86. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sensuous 86. Its crisp, lean form speaks of its high-performance design geared to the enthusiast. Yet this sleek coupe is also a practical, affordable daily driver with modern safety features. Its corner-hugging suspension and paddle shifters bring exhilaration to every drive, whether on the track or on the way to the office. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, lane keeping assist, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm. Infuse your driving life with the exhilaration that comes standard with a true sports car. Take a test drive in this 86. Our expert team is here to give you an outstanding experience.